10 denture hacks dentists hide from you. Let's be real, your dentures shouldn't wiggle, rub, or cause you pain, so why are you putting up with it? Your dentist handed you a brand new smile, but did they share all the secrets to keeping it comfortable, secure, and sparkling white for years to come? What if I told you there are simple, game-changing hacks that can make your dentures feel more natural and look even better than the day you got them? Too many people just accept discomfort and a dulling smile as part of the deal, but that is absolutely not the truth. It's time to take control. In this video, we're pulling back the curtain on the top 10 denture hacks your dentist might have forgotten to mention. These aren't complicated procedures. They are simple, powerful tweaks to your daily routine that will completely transform your denture experience. We're covering everything from simple after-meal habits to game-changing products that will preserve not just your dentures, but your confidence. Forget just surviving with dentures. It's time to thrive. Hack number 1. The post-meal power rinse. Picture this. You've just finished a fantastic meal, but instantly, tiny bits of food start working their way under and around your dentures. At first, it's just annoying, but within hours, those trapped particles become a breeding ground for bacteria. This leads to bad breath, painful gum irritation, and creates an environment where serious fungal infections like denture stomatitis can thrive. Over time, this buildup causes stubborn plaque and stains that are almost impossible to get rid of. So what's the secret they don't emphasize enough? It's not just about your big end-of-day cleaning. The real game changer is the immediate after-meal rinse. As soon as you finish eating, make it a non-negotiable habit to head to the restroom, take out your dentures, and rinse them thoroughly under lukewarm water. Why lukewarm? Hot water can actually warp the acrylic material, permanently ruining their custom fit. Cold water is okay, but lukewarm is the most effective and comfortable. The payoff is huge. First, you immediately wash away those food particles before they can cause irritation or bad breath. Second, you dramatically cut down on the plaque and bacteria that build up, protecting your gum health. And third, you stop staining foods and drinks from setting in, keeping your smile brighter for way longer. This one simple step, done consistently, is the foundation for everything else. Hack number 2. Ditch the toothpaste and embrace the right cleanser. Here's a secret that sounds completely wrong. The toothpaste you used for your natural teeth is one of the worst things for your dentures. The problem is that regular toothpaste is abrasive, designed to scrub tough tooth enamel. Your dentures, on the other hand, are made from a much softer acrylic. When you use abrasive toothpaste, you're essentially carving thousands of microscopic scratches on the surface. You can't see them, but these scratches are a paradise for bacteria and stains, creating a rough surface where plaque and odors cling. The solution is to switch to a non-abrasive cleaner. You've got a couple of great options. The easiest is mild dish soap. A small drop on a soft bristled denture brush with cool water works perfectly for daily cleaning without causing damage. For a deeper, whitening clean, your best bet is a specialized denture cleanser tablet. These are designed to dissolve in water, creating a fizzing soak that breaks down plaque, kills odor-causing bacteria, and lifts stains without scratching the denture. The benefit is a longer life for your dentures and a healthier mouth. By avoiding those tiny scratches, your dentures stay smooth and polished just like new. This makes it harder for stains to set in and for bacteria to hide, giving you a brighter smile, fresher breath, and saving you money by preventing premature wear. Hack number 3. Master the art of gentle, all-surface brushing. So you rinse after meals and you're using the right cleanser, but you could still be missing critical spots. The problem is that plaque and leftover denture adhesive love to hide in all the nooks and crannies. The most commonly missed area is the pink gum-facing side of the denture that creates the seal. This hidden gunk is a major cause of gum irritation, sore spots, and even fungal infections because it traps bacteria directly against your sensitive gums for hours. The hack isn't just to brush, but to brush with a purpose. You need a dedicated, soft, bristled denture brush. These usually have 2 heads, a larger one for the teeth and a smaller, tapered one for getting into tight grooves. After a quick rinse, apply your non-abrasive cleanser and gently brush every single surface, inside and out. Pay extra attention to that inner pink surface to remove all that old adhesive. Here's a pro tip. Always lay a towel in the sink or fill it with water when you're cleaning. That way, if you accidentally drop them, they have a soft landing instead of a costly disaster. The payoff for this extra minute of work is massive. By removing every trace of plaque and adhesive, you prevent painful sore spots and dramatically lower your risk of infection. Your gums will feel healthier and your dentures will fit better and feel cleaner every single morning. Hack number 4, the overnight soaking secret. Leaving your dentures on the nightstand to dry out is one of the most damaging things you can do. The acrylic material they're made from is designed to stay moist. When it dries out, it can warp, become brittle, and even develop tiny cracks. A warped denture will never fit right again. It'll feel loose, rub against your gums, and lose its suction. On top of that, not soaking them gives bacteria a full 8 hours to multiply without interruption. This solution is a must-do. Always soak your dentures overnight. After brushing them, place them in a denture bath or a clean cup filled with cool or lukewarm water. Remember, never use hot water as it will cause warping. For an extra clean, use a denture soaking solution in the water. This not only keeps them hydrated, but also dissolves any stubborn plaque that brushing missed. Plus, this gives your gums a much-needed break from the pressure of wearing the denture all day, which is vital for preventing irritation. The benefits are huge. You preserve the custom fit of your dentures, ensuring they stay comfortable for years. You keep them from becoming brittle and breaking, and you wake up to a fresh, hygienic smile every single morning. This simple nightly ritual is the key to long-term comfort. Hack number 5, the daily gum massage. Your dentures can only be as comfortable as the gums they sit on. A huge problem for denture wearers is sore and tender gums. This happens because dentures put constant pressure on the tissue, which can reduce blood flow and lead to inflammation. Many people just assume this is something they have to live with, but you don't. Here's a hack that feels amazing and makes a world of difference. Give your gums a daily massage. Every morning before putting your dentures in and every evening after taking them out, use a very soft toothbrush, a piece of gauze, or just your clean finger to gently massage your gums, tongue, and the roof of your mouth. This simple action works wonders by stimulating blood circulation. Another great option is to rinse with warm salt water. Just a half teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water, swished for 30 seconds, can soothe inflammation and help make your gums more resilient. The reward for this little ritual is a huge boost in comfort. Massaging your gums reduces soreness and irritation while promoting a healthier environment for your dentures to rest on. It's not just about relieving pain, it's about proactively making your gums healthier to prevent pain in the first place. If you're finding these secrets helpful and want to take control of your denture journey, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. We're dedicated to bringing you the best tips and tricks to make your life with dentures easier and more confident. Don't miss out on what's coming next. Hack number 6, know your enemy foods. When you first get dentures, you dream of finally eating all the foods you've missed, but the reality can be a little tricky. The problem is that certain foods are natural enemies of dentures. Sticky things like caramels or gummy candies can yank your dentures loose, often at the worst possible moment. Hard foods like nuts or crunchy apples can put intense, uneven pressure on them, leading to instability or even a crack. And foods with tiny seeds like strawberries or popcorn can get trapped underneath, creating a sharp, painful pressure point. The hack isn't about giving up your favorite foods, it's about being strategic. For the first few weeks, stick to softer foods to let your gums adjust. When you're ready for more challenging meals, use a few tricks. Cut hard foods like steak or apples into small, bite-sized pieces. And when you chew, try to consciously use both sides of your mouth at once. This distributes the pressure evenly and keeps the denture stable instead of tipping it to one side. The benefit is pure confidence in any dining situation. By knowing how to handle tricky foods, you eliminate the fear of your dentures slipping or causing pain. You can enjoy a wider variety of foods and make meals a pleasure again, not a source of anxiety. Hack number 7. The fit is not forever. Embrace the reline. This might be the biggest secret that isn't talked about enough.
You get your dentures, they fit like a glove, and you think you're set. The problem is that your mouth is always changing. Over time, the jawbone underneath your gums begins to slowly shrink because it's no longer being stimulated by tooth roots. As your jaw shrinks, that perfect custom fit is lost. The denture starts to feel loose, it slips when you talk, and it creates sore spots from rubbing. The hack is understanding that a denture isn't a one-and-done purchase. It's a device that needs regular maintenance. Never, ever try to fix a loose denture yourself with a store-bought kit or extra adhesive. You can seriously damage both the denture and your gums. The professional solution is a reline. Your dentist takes a new impression of your mouth and adds a fresh layer to the inside of your denture, perfectly readapting it to your current anatomy. If your dentures feel even a little loose, don't wait. Go see your dentist. The benefit is lasting comfort and function. A well-fitting denture lets you chew properly for good nutrition and prevents the chronic irritation that can lead to other health issues. And this brings us to the ultimate hack for long-term stability: talking to your dentist about implant-supported dentures. They anchor directly to the jawbone, providing incredible stability and helping to stop bone loss. Hack number 8. Hydration is your hidden adhesive. Ever get that feeling of a dry mouth where your dentures create uncomfortable friction? It's an incredibly common issue. Dry mouth can be caused by medications, aging, or just not drinking enough water. For a denture wearer, it's a nightmare. Saliva is nature's lubricant. It creates a thin film between the denture and your gums that helps with suction and reduces rubbing. Without enough of it, you've got hard acrylic rubbing directly against delicate tissue, leading to sores. The hack is unbelievably simple. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Drinking plenty of water is one of the most effective ways to combat dry mouth and make your dentures more comfortable. Think of it as creating your own natural adhesive. Every sip of water helps keep your mouth moist, maintaining that essential lubricating film. If you have chronic dry mouth, you can also look into over-the-counter saliva substitute sprays for extra relief. The payoff is a massive improvement in your day-to-day comfort. Staying hydrated turns an irritating experience into a smooth one, helps with the natural suction of your upper denture, and makes you far less likely to develop painful sores. It's a free, easy, and incredibly powerful way to make your dentures feel less like a foreign object.
Hack number 9. Unleash the power of ultrasonic cleaning. Even with perfect brushing and soaking, you might notice your dentures losing their shine or getting stubborn buildup over time. The issue is that a brush, no matter how good, can't reach every single microscopic pore in the acrylic. This is where tenacious stains from coffee and tea settle in and where mineral deposits can harden into tough buildup. The high-tech hack that brings a pro-level clean to your bathroom is an ultrasonic cleaner. These are small, affordable devices you fill with water or a cleaning solution. You just pop your dentures inside and turn it on. The machine creates high-frequency sound waves, generating millions of microscopic bubbles that implode with incredible force. This process, called cavitation, gently but powerfully blasts away stains, plaque, and the nasty buildup that leads to tartar, all without any abrasion. It's the same tech many dental offices use to clean equipment. The benefit is a level of clean you just can't get by hand. An ultrasonic cleaner can restore the original brightness to your dentures, get rid of stubborn deposits, and kill bacteria hiding in the deepest pores. Using it a few times a week will keep your dentures looking and feeling brand new. Hack number 10. The twice-yearly professional tune-up. The final and most important hack is one too many people ignore. The problem is thinking that once you have dentures, you don't need a dentist anymore. No teeth, no problem, right? That's a dangerous mistake. Your dentist isn't just checking for cavities, they're monitoring the health of your entire mouth and the condition of your denture. A tiny crack can become a full break, a small sore can become a serious infection, and gradual bone loss can go unnoticed until your dentures are unwearable. The hack is to treat your dental checkups like essential maintenance. You absolutely must see your dentist at least once and ideally twice a year for a checkup and oral cancer screening.
During these visits, your dentist will professionally clean your dentures, removing any buildup you couldn't. They'll examine the denture for stress fractures and check the fit against your gums. Most importantly, they will examine all the soft tissues in your mouth for any signs of disease. The benefit is simple: prevention and peace of mind. Regular checkups catch problems when they're small and easy to fix, saving you from discomfort and expensive repairs. It ensures your dentures continue to fit as your mouth changes and serves as a vital screening for your overall health. Isn't an expense, it's an investment in your long-term confidence. So, there you have it. 10 secrets to a more comfortable and confident life with your dentures. From the simple power of a post-meal rinse to the advanced clean of an ultrasonic device, you now have the tools to take full control. Remember, uncomfortable dentures are not a life sentence. You have the power to make them work for you. What did you think? Are there any hacks we missed? Drop a comment below and let me know your #1 denture care tip. And if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and here's to a future of confident smiles.